Hey, I'm Barrett, and today I want to show you how to purchase and issue mobile credentials in Dealer Admin. Let's get started. Mobile credentials allow you to take advantage of features of the SR3 Bluetooth reader. You can purchase mobile credentials and issue those to a customer, all from Dealer Admin. Let's take a look at how to do that now. After you log into Dealer Admin, select Tools, then select Mobile Credentials. Let's purchase and issue some credentials now. Under Purchase Credentials, select a customer. I'll select J&S Management Company. In the quantity box, enter the number of mobile credentials you'd like to purchase. I'll purchase 10. You can see at the bottom that the total purchase has been updated for you. Under the Notes PO field, you can enter information such as who these mobile credentials are for. Once you've filled this out, select Purchase Credentials. Now, Dealer Admin will purchase these credentials and issue them to your customer. Once they're purchased and issued, your end users can assign these mobile credentials all from Virtual Keypad. From this page, you can also view the total number of credentials that you've purchased among all of your customers. Under the available credentials, you can see a list of all customers that you've purchased mobile credentials for. You can also see the total number of mobile credentials purchased, the number of active mobile credentials, and the available number of credentials they have remaining. This is a great way to be proactive in making sure your customers have available mobile credentials. At any time, you can see that a customer may be running low and give them a call to help them purchase and issue additional mobile credentials. Finally, you can see the purchase history of any mobile credentials that have been purchased. Let's take a look at that. At the bottom of the mobile credentials page, you'll see Purchase History. This is a list of all purchases made of mobile credentials. You can see the date and time that this purchase was made, the customer it was made for, the quantity and purchase total, as well as who it was purchased by. Additionally, you can see any information entered in the Notes and PO field. At any time, you can export this purchase history for your records. You can download this in a PDF, an Excel, or a CSV format. The ability to purchase and issue mobile credentials in Dealer Admin ensures that you and your team can offer the latest technologies in access control. This is a great way to ensure that your customers have available mobile credentials when they need to add a new user to their system. And that's mobile credentials in Dealer Admin.